Hello Internet and welcome to Unbox Surgery. I want to talk today about an old topic, which is the Apple Airpod. It is not old, by the way. There's some rumors are swirling around that there will be a new Apple Airpod or Apple Airpod 2 that will be announced soon. And I'm really looking forward for those Apple AirPods because the first generation of the AirPod is very perfect. Apple put a very perfect or a nice recipe into an Bluetooth headphone. So let's discuss the compromise or the bad thing about the first generation Apple AirPod and what we want the Apple AirPod 2 or the second generation to improve upon. Like, the battery life is great, so improving the battery life is not a big issue for me. The size is perfect. They don't have to change the size to a smaller one. This experience is great. Samsung recently announced their Galaxy AirPod or Galaxy Pod, and the nicest thing about them is that they can wirelessly charge, which make them more convenient to be charged or carried wherever you go. So a wireless charging AirPod, Apple AirPod, will be a very nice addition. Well, the functionality of the AirPod itself is really nice. Like, for example, double tapping the AirPod will start or stop a call or start or stop a music or something like this. But if they do a new mechanism, like, or for example, sliding your finger across the AirPod will reduce or increase the volume, for example, or change the music back and forward. I don't know. Something like this will be more handy. It is not a must feature, but if they can do it. One thing I want Apple to improve upon the AirPod is the fact that the grip when you put it in your ear is very bad. My ear is quite wide open, so the moment I start doing jogging or running, the Apple AirPod cannot stay in one place and it fall off easily from my ear. So you have to buy those accessories like cover or ear holder just to hold the AirPod firmly in your ear. So if Apple changed the tip from hard plastic to compressible rubber, where you can put it inside your ear like Galaxy Pod, that will be a very good addition in my point of view. Also, this addition can improve the sound quality. Apple AirPod, the first generation, have a very good or gorgeous sound quality, but that sound quality can only be achieved when you are sitting in a quiet room or somewhere not very noisy. But the moment you go to the office or you are walking down on the streets or the subway, man, you cannot hear what the AirPod is emitting into your ear. The noise is just coming inside your ear from the surrounding area. So a noise cancellation technology might improve a little bit, but this problem is caused not because of the noise of cancellation technology or the lack of this technology, but the bad sealing of the Apple AirPod tips. So with the rubber head, you can also seal your ears from the surrounding noise, which will dramatically enhance the quality of the sound. Also, it will help you to not crank up the volume and hurt your ears or consume the battery of the Apple AirPods because you are cranking up the volume. Yes, you will ask, how come you will put them back into their case if there is a rubber tip like the Galaxy Pod into the Apple AirPod? At least if Apple can manage to increase the size of the case without compromising the whole portability, it can be achieved by Apple. So a 10% increase in size is not a very big deal, but the benefits will be huge because, this will increase the sound quality and this will avoid Apple to use noise cancellation. I know noise cancellation technology is great or a good addition, but I don't see it fit right now. Noise cancellation might increase the size of the Apple AirPods so much, and the battery consumption will be high as well. So I don't see it a good option to do it right now in the second generation. They can leave it for the third generation. And the main selling point of the Apple AirPod is not because they have the good quality. It is very convenient to have, small, portable, easy to use, and fast to connect. Anyway guys, we have to wait for Apple to announce the new AirPod then. Thank you for watching.